All right, this is step one on making your pillowcase. You're going to lay your band so that it's facing you. Your initials are in the right hand side. You're going to take your fabric with the bright sides, all right, looking up at you. You're going to take and you're going to flip it over so that the wrong side is facing you, and you're going to lay it on top of your band. Now when you lay it on top of your band, you want to make sure that you are matching up your edge exactly right. I kind of call this peanut butter and jelly sandwich, because when I make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I like for my breads to match up so nothing oozes off the edge. Take a few pins. These aren't going to stay here, but they'll help you just keep it where you want it. Just pin it along the edge. It is okay if this hangs over a little bit. This kind of matches up, so it's okay. It's just a little bit off. Now what you're going to do is you are going to start to roll your fabric towards you. You want to make a small, tiny roll. You're going to keep rolling it. Nothing big. Smaller the better. Doesn't have to be perfect. Keep rolling it. You're going to keep rolling it until you see your band color again. There it is. Okay. As soon as you see your band color, kind of like press this down a little bit so it lays down. And then you're going to take your band, lift it, and you're going to match that band edge back up with the other edge. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pin. So remember, you have your pins here. Take your pin out. And this time you have to pin perpendicular to your edge. Okay. Find your next pin. There it is.
I told you guys Mrs. Newport pinned with her pin out. Opposite than what I taught you guys, but that's okay.
Try to find the next pin. And where's the next one? There it is. So I'm not leaving any pins underneath. Now if I want to, I can go back, and I should, because this is probably not enough pins. Probably go back and just kind of pin in between.
So about 8 pins, 8 to 10 straight pins.
Yep, I kind of do a hands width apart. That's what I do. And I do pin perpendicular to the edge with it sticking out. Everyone's different. Okay. In your roll, you need to make sure that when you pin, that your roll, all right, is behind the head of your pins. You don't want that roll to be anywhere close to the edge, because you're now going to stitch along this edge, and you don't want to stitch on that.
And remember to back stitch at the beginning and the end of each stitch.